Ogene or Vegman Igbo Omo Arizi Chuka Dibia Okaramara Okaramo Onye Chineke zitere ka ọ zọpụta ndị Igbo. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma, depending on where you're joining us from. This is Igbo Jews. We must tell the truth and let devil be shamed. Church have fed us, Sabbath have fed us, pastor have fed us, prophet have fed us, evangelists have fed us, Reverend Father have fed us. So what are we going to do? Jesus, Ndota have fed us, Nkendi Igbo too, Black Jesus have fed us. Why? Because we about. So what is your take in this matter? Let us not fight ourselves, let us not insult ourselves. We need to enlighten our people. Because this is what I saw many years ago, almost 10 years ago. I closed my church. I don't have church. I can never have church again. So what I have now is a movement. It's called Gospel of Truth, Igbo Jews Prophetic Movement, or End Time Prophetic Movement. Because I have Ogo Bekano. So Chukwu continue. Somebody in Nigeria, share the telecast. Don't insult me. Don't. All this man fighting since all this while. I'm trying to come up with something so I can be able to land somewhere. Now, at least, we have fought and know that Okike is not Igbo tradition. So let us also know that white Jesus is fake. So now, if truly there is true Jesus, how are we going to make sure that Christianity become one? How are we going to make sure that Christianity and Judaism worship the same God? Because most of Christianity, they're worshiping Jesus of Rome, which is causing the problem. People are calling us fake. Then people on Sabbath, Judaism, they're worshiping Jesus, Yeshua, Jesus of Nazareth. Listen, don't fight me. Just make your comment, make your contribution. We must tell ourselves truth. If this is what I've taken, instead for me to do church with lie, let me not have church. I'm not interested. So that's why I say I'll come to Zion on the Easter Sunday because I will not keep Sunday. I know it's Zion today. So I have to come and preach. If Rebukobi will permit me, I will heal more than 500 people or 1,000 people that day. Then I will deliver a lot of people from spiritual sickness. Then I will preach the truth from the Bible. I will preach about Aros Ndocha to Jesus. Jesus of Ndocha and Jesus of Rome and Jesus of Nazareth. They are different kind of thing. Now, for you that will come and say and lie, do you think many of you don't know that Sabbath started before Roman Catholic? Do you know that? So if truly Sabbath is the head of the church, which is synagogue, then if you call Sabbath a liar, that means you're also a liar. Because if you cannot, as now happen, you understand? So I have been to Sabbath before. I've left. I go to Makati, I go to Anglican, I came to Pentecostal, and I came back. So inside this whole church, I find out there is something they are doing other people are not doing. There is something they are doing light, other people are also doing light. So nobody is bad. And nobody ever say nobody is perfect. I am not perfect. I just try my best. Because people are seeing this, they think it's an altar. This is not an altar. Let me explain what is this. This is not. I've not built an altar. I've not built an altar. Because of this, people are saying, oh, your worship, so this is not altar. This is a house. I'm going to build for Yahweh. This is a covenant. God said, you're going to build a city where the whole world will come and worship me. So I did this. It was just like normal four corner. But when I build it four corner, people come and they say it look like grave. You know, if you go to Christ Apostle, you go to Sabbath, if you see the Messenger, they used to circle it with this thing, with the block. I get block. Let me use Igbo. I get you block where they share. So for us, no, they can grave every in the mud. So that's why I build this one. Is a house. 1 story, 2 story, 3 story, 4 story, 5 story. So it can be like 7 steps. The up will be in charge, like Solomon did. So that is this one I'm trying to explain this thing. So because of this thing, people are saying that in the new city, we're not going to build anything. It's going to be open ground. We're not going to mold anything. We're not going to build anything. We're not going to have altar. So I want to prove to you my altar is not this thing that you're seeing. This one represents the covenant that I have with God. Because why I build this thing? To remember covenant I have with God and promises. Anytime I come here to pray, I tell God. God said, I'm going to raise sons and daughters, partners, to build the city. So anytime I come here, I will challenge God. That's why I see me. when I was fighting with Akwa, I came to this mountain. I said, if Akwa will be able to defeat me, I'll break it. So all the battle I'm fighting, I said, if anybody can defeat me, I'll break this. That means God is fake. That means nobody has defeated me for all those wars. That's to prove to you, I will continue this gospel of truth, Igbo Jews prophetic movement, because this one is not like number old Sabbath. We're not killing pigeon. We're not killing cow. Not that we cannot kill, but we're not killing anything. On that particular day, you will see power. So I want to prove to people that have 1.12 million angels. You will not see altar. You will not see anywhere they bury anything. You will not see nothing. Empty ground. Empty ground. That's why I'll leave it empty ground, just to tell you. So tomorrow, I'll build an altar that should be in the Anambra State, where we're going to build our pleasure state. I'm going to make an altar for both sides. But the altar we're talking about now, the most powerful altar, is not this thing you're seeing. I'm going to say, you should come and break. Even if you break this thing, it takes that. You do know that my 99% miracles is on the street. I don't want to prove to people that it's not. So some pastors come to my church, they cannot perform miracle. But I can go anywhere and perform miracle. Yes. I don't wear ring. I don't put anything. I don't put anything. I don't have any mark. The mark, no. I don't carry anything. That's why if I go, I say, bring, you can see me somewhere, I say, bring your own water. So you will not say, nah, why I don't go put you inside. But on that, on the 6th, 7th, and the 8th, a lot of miracle. On the 6th, Thursday, we're going to do prayer morning and evening. If you're sick, come and book your prayer line. If you're down, don't bring the person. If you're down, very down, stay in the hospital. If it's a spiritual something, send somebody with your picture and go to pray for the person. Then the person will come and join junior partner. That one is normally just for you. Just so can give you oil and water. If you don't want the oil and water, no problem. Just come and pray. It's free. So, but if you want the oil and water, we're not selling it. Just join partner so we can give you because you're sick, you're facing an attack, so you can be using it and everything will be okay. So I'm trying to my best to help my people. Now, yesterday was a wonderful day for me. It was a great day. So I plan to spend 1.something million to buy instruments. So one of my son had it. He want to come and see me on Sunday. I told him I have a meeting somewhere. So I said, I'm going to Alaba. Yeah, today he said he's traveling to Angola today. So he has been announced since last year. So he was just waiting to see me. So but he could not see me. So but he saw in Alaba yesterday. So my brother, God bless you, Victor. So he's going to Angola. So you're going to Angola. The Almighty God bless you for contributing in my happiness, because music is life. Me, I love music. Music is what gives me happy. That's why it looks like some people say I'm dancing, I'm crazy, and this. Oh God, they can call what did they call David? David, they say he's mad because he's dancing for God. So today I have ogene, I have 3 types of instruments. So na aja. He call this number +234 903 222 6076. Obone ma band. Obone ma akpa jita, ịgba anyị. Obone ma akpa keyboard, ịgba anyị. Obone ma aka ịgba, ịgba dia. Obone ma aka ogene dia. Hearing I have 3 types of instruments. And with Western instrument, which is band, jita, and the keyboard. Then I want to see our traditional instrument, ogene, ịchaka, and ote. Nkwazi nkwa dey for na wood. So I got 3 types of women and Igbo. So I can ask you small. We still need to buy some other things. We still need to buy sub. I still need to buy like speaker, like 2 speakers, like about 2 million naira speaker, and the sub about 2.5 speakers. Big speaker classic is about 700 1 million naira. Go to Alaba and check it. They will buy 2. A pair 2 is about 1 million. So you buy like 2 sets more to make it about 6 speakers. We have 2 speakers now to start, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Just to start, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to buy, we'll still have to buy like 2 speakers. So if you don't know about things of God, go and sit down. When he said they're asking for money, well, go to market where they're selling speaker and tell them to give you speaker. This Ogene, and I was supposed to buy it a long time ago. At the time I was in Anambra, I want to buy Ogene. They tell me 30,000. Now I bought it 40,000. They have increased. So now, my instrument I'm using before, my band, the pastors that are following me before, I have instrument I gave to them. I started buying instrument. In 2004, I bought complete instrument. That time I was full-time inside business and give to a lady that sang a Chineke. Then there's in the East. So instrument is not a big thing, but just that the work of God, only one person cannot do it. And we are looking at to buy standard something. Money that I spent yesterday can buy a instrument. If you come in, yes. You can buy speaker for 100,000 or 150,000. So everything have grade. So we want to buy something that tomorrow we'll keep on adding, not to buy, let us have instrument and only sub. There's sub that is 600. There's one sub that is 1.something million. Only big speaker they are put as base. We have not bought that one, but we have bought things that we're going to use for this one. So if you know how to play any instrument, you're invited. As long as you want to worship the God of Abraham, the living God, the one God, Christianity na many, Jesus, Yahweh, confusion, carry. So please drop your comment and let me know where you're watching from. Please. This program is not for me, just to help to enlighten my people about the true Jesus that is causing problem. Why are they calling Jesus fake? If this man not being addressed, because I have slept, sometimes I want to fight Matthias. I find out too there's confusion. Because if there's no confusion, Matthias will not burn Bible. If there's no confusion, people will not call Jesus fake. It's not only Matthias that call Jesus fake. There are many. If you mean to call, if I call one Jesus fake, Jesus Ndocha, is it not the same Jesus? I have Jesus in Igbo. Now, why are you using Igbo Jesus? For you to know that there's a black Jesus. Because when they talk about Jesus, which is black Jesus again, that's okay. Igbos we're from Jews. Let me now make it clear to you. So you don't think I don't know what I'm doing. Now, if truly Igbos were Israel, that means Jesus is an Igbo man. By blood rank, by lineage, in the archaeologists a long time ago, maybe in the 1980. Do you understand? So we're coming now. So please, if you never watch a video and the poor, you watch a drop poor, or even name long. I will not be insulting him back again. I will not be insulting Ebukobi again. I will not be fighting Akwa again. Because everybody have heard the message. Now it's so, let us now talk the truth. I would like to visit Mbaka to go and perform miracle, heal people, and preach. If Mbaka will allow me to come and preach, I will do that. Then I would like to preach 5 prayers. Preach in Mbaka, Ebukobi, and Ebemonso. Then preach Akwa Okoko place, Matthias, and the Million Willow for now. These 6 people is where I would like to go and preach. I don't have church. So if you need members, I'll bring my members and ask them to follow you. That is not my problem. I don't want to have church, and I can never have church. So that's why I see me moving. So if I want to have church, do you think I will be going from Anambra to Lagos to Port Harcourt? So how will somebody that's in Lagos will be coming to see me if I'm in Anambra? How will somebody in Anambra will come to see me? So all those are things you're supposed to ask yourself. Why is it that this prophet don't like to stay one place? At least go to my video. You will see the one in Lagos, in Aladipo. You will see the one in Oshodi. You will see the one in Port Harcourt, in Anambra. You will see the one in Enugu. So if it's member that I'm looking for, I want to know if you use that energy, stay one place, gather those people. That is not what this is. What God asked me to do. God said, go into all the world and preach my gospel. So I don't have church, and I don't want to have. I will not even have. Even if you want to, people want to do church. I say I don't want. What I want is prayer city, open ground. People come and pray. Then we build hospital, we build school, and we build temple where people that will come to pray. Refugee camp for Ndigo. My number is this: +234 903 222 6076. Please let me go with my phone. That's my phone in case somebody wants to call. So you can call me. God bless you. This is one of the. Oh my God. What's it there? Oh, there you go. One I can look quite good. Mamu again, na no again. Muna kira fe Jack mama. Jack mama. Opening my chance, bagote na my idea. Don't worry, when I go to Anambra State. I know that. And Enugu State. I don't want. Thank you. God bless you. So you can call me if you have contribution, but allow me to play my music first before you begin to call me. Kambo gere egwu a. Kambo kwa ogobe. Egwu eji conquer powers of darkness. What's that? Yeah, go yesterday. See how you don't reach one day, you don't lose. Nigeria, here it was fake Jesus, fake real again, fake everything. Again, when we say we go to pray, how many months? See this one now. You don't reach one day, you don't scatter. Hey, Araba International, Araba International. Una so when they work out that kind of way. Una so that kind of way. They know it's okay. No problem. Because share the telecast, invite your friend. God bless you. Breaking the powers of darkness. I'm expecting people to make comment on this. Why no comments? My own be said, I don't care. isi na ịkpatara ego na your pocket, enweghị ego ịkpatara, isi na iji ego, I no send you. I carry power. No, we power that. Okay, see, let me tell you. I don't laugh for now. So I can say, he said, make I pay for this tip. He said, make I pay. See, let me tell you. In 2017, when I was going to Anambra State, God sent me, after I finished the crusade I do in 2016. So that was when I closed my church. God sent me to Anambra State. So as I'm going to Anambra State, I say, I swear, this is as an altar. I say, I will not come back to Lagos again. I said, somebody give me 500,000. Let me listen. So let me tell you, this is happening almost 8 years ago. It's a cross I put for myself. Why do I say so? I've helped a lot of people. After helping them, they will learn. When I was in the program, I sold my wristlet that I bought 1.something million, 80,000 naira. I sold it for 200,000. Inside the 200,000, only money that I see inside is 80,000. I use it to pay people that pay instruments that will rent to do crusade. So if somebody don't, that's why I say I know they see anybody. I say if you know what's my business, nobody wants solution. Because what's my business? Now you define solution. Now you want to solve your problem. Now you the complain say they ask you for money. I come your house. Stay at your house and I may die there. Do you know how many million I spent on my own before I became like this? The craze. Go to mountain now. Go to, you don't know what mountain today. Or enter motor, go mountain, go stay. 3 years. Come back. If you think it's easy, you're talking to a multi-billionaire, somebody decided to come down to tell you the truth. You have mouth on the talk. Who have you helped in Nigeria? How much do you have? Starting from Baka to Ebuka, all of them, from Jeremiah to all of them, to Okumoye, all of them are small children. Where I am. Both in money, both in ministry. Forget that when he came to do church. Ask people. If you see people who start Sabbath, if they hear Edin and Og, if they hear Dadananka, if they hear Ebune, all those people know me. Ask them, not today. Long time ago, 1990, 1989, 90. Is where I see this guy first time, Dadananka. Not Dadananka, Edin and Og. I never go to church. But you know, we're doing Sabbath, so always go to water then. So he come to water too. He go to water, so a lot of water. I want to tell you some things you don't have. So you don't think I'm saying folk. Share this in Naka is going on air. If you want to meet Dada Obi, ask him who is David Yahweh, a brother to Jah Messenger. He will tell you. Most of all those people, they started well, like my brother, but they didn't end up well. Why? Because of frustration on Oka. But I have taken upon myself to teach you the truth. It's not only my Catholic I fight. I fought my brother, I said before he died. I'm not saying Sabbath is the holy place. There's a lot of occultic people that's in Sabbath. That's why this is not Sabbath church. This is Church of God, Church of the Bible. So anything like call it. This is not Pentecostal. This is Church of Bible. This is not Anglican. This is better mix. I came out from all the whole churches. Yes. How do I come out from? I served the Reverend Father when I was small. I was a Roman Catholic when I was small. I born as an Anglican. I was a Sabbatarian when there's a lot of as a Nigerian annual major white. Yeah, also my mother were making. So my brother entered Sabbath that time because of my father mystery powers. That's why I never got advice. Mother one guy from our baby Nyoko. She had to do a minute. You know, going to do a minute about baby Nyoko. Don't have baby Nyoko on the Sabbath. So all those are things, confusion. Only can na video nda or me without solution. Since I started this movement, since 2000 let me not lie. Since I started prayer, more than 10 to 20 years, I never call anybody kill cow, kill chicken, or kill goat, or kill pigeon, or kill chicken. No. Why? Because I have an encounter. There's an encounter that passes all those things, which is Holy Spirit. That's why I'll tell you, This is not an altar. This is a praise, a covenant, a promise to God that this is where I receive power. See it. This is where I receive power. I will show you the old video, the old list if I have it, if I saw it. I will show you because when I want to, everything I'm doing, I will make it to know to you now because it's more of like helping to lighten people because of people say I worship stone. No, I can never worship stone. This is not stone. This is just a mountain we are going to build. You know, yeah, it's not a mountain now. This is just to remember. You know, that's what I tell people. If you want to do something in life, light it down. So if you light it down every day, you remember what you want to do. This is what this is showing me. This is now is just so covenant I have with God to remember to build the house of God. This is a very long time ago. So but I'm doing it in a small. So because if I don't have something, I remember. If something is hard for me now, I have an altar inside, I break it. When I was broke, I told God, if you cannot feed me, I will not serve you again. I want to break the altar was inside. If I break it, I will show you people. Then I break it. After I break it, in only 3 days, I get breakthrough. To prove to you, God, they worship. Then people say, oh, that's God. So because I have tested God in many places, I find out that's God. But sometimes God will leave you to know your reaction. So, but the problem we're having today is church. Church is the problem. And it started from a long time ago, from 2,000 years, when Jesus came. Because before they have one church, they don't even get Muslim that time, they get Judaism. Now, why are we going back to the Judaism? Judaism is the tradition of Igbo. Let us not write. If you say I'm right, check Old Testament. My father married 4 wives. Abraham married 2. Many people marry many wives. He did that. And Bible say pay diary. All those people, our father that married, they are paying their diary. All tradition Igbo. If in ROC, my father don't get idle. You can believe in nation and other things. And all I can do is and that will do. So if ever confusion over na Christianity, but that Christianity. Because Christianity, no matter Christianity, but they are not even Christian, they are unbeliever. So they make a Christ. That is why all those manipulations started coming. So Yanema, you cannot prosper. Okay, listen to me. Listen very, very well now. So there's something that happened yesterday. Go and watch the video of the person I went to pray for in the East, their building house. You see the same guy. You will see him now. You see him yesterday. Then next tomorrow, I'll call him on phone now. You see that he's not in Nigeria again. I've traveled back to Angola. He's going to Angola. He's going to Cotonou. That yesterday night. That's yesterday. Going to Cotonou. From there, he will travel from Benin. He will travel to Angola. So now, why I just use that one now is for you to know that how many people, if you're thinking of praying people, how many people will you pray? That guy spent not close to 1 million yesterday. Me, I spent my own almost 1 million, 1 point something million I was paying. Okay, if now I do from partner of 50,000, if that guy never spend money for this month, I don't feel counter. One person. Why? Because of Ndamosu Nando Koto Choribu. I swear, this means the same at the talk up. Go to that talk, I will hear it. Not be saying they do fake testimony, fake waiting. You know they tell you what you know they feed you. Do you know how many people I helped? I helped like thousands of people who cannot be proud to come and testify to what I did for them. I have HIV in this telecast. I've kidney. They cannot come out to testify. That's why I people should stop it. I say I will not pray for people online again. Why? Because you are thinking God is fake, and you're thinking I'm fake. We'll prove it to you starting from Thursday. Anybody that has, if you like, you stay in America. If I'm not important to you, stay where you are. Accept you're down. You send somebody, the person will come with your picture. If it's not, I'm not interested. How much can you give me? You don't have money to give me. So you think I think it's today? So let me face why we're here. Why we're here is, why is it that Jesus is true? Many people don't know this thing I'm talking about. And thereby can why we don't. Why all the whole Christianity, Adeboye, Olukoya, this one, the Geo, this one, Mbakade, have not come to address this problem. And now, they are making God a mocker. I know the same that Jesus about the email. I saw it, I posted it. I'm not the one that did this. I know the same that Jesus about Nazareth. I posted it. Because of what? Or if you no be no one start up. So make the shame off All the Christian leaders, shame on all of you. Small boys that came out from Christianity will begin to insult you back. That means you're evil. Oh, when something do wrong that make Matthias the day. So let us not start fighting Matthias. Let us correct our mistake. Because if you don't correct your mistake, if you come out for house, you shit for your knicker. You know, go wash your knicker or your trouser. You wear that come out for road. Fries going to throw you. People going to say, Don't be so. So you're not going to figure say Matthias is evil. Matthias is antichrist. Matthias, what have you done to make sure that your Christ is real? Nothing. No. Can you feel me going to Can you make sure now that Mary in our watch is not the original one? Because some are fake Mary, when remarry. So can you make sure able to say house in Dutch banana? What is your contribution? Not only to come and insult. So you think all those things are you can do it. You think all those fights, do you know why they're not responding back? None of them can respond back because if you try it, God will kill you. Both Mbaka, both Ebukobi, both Akwogo. They know. Only person that can respond is somebody who is blind, spiritual. I will prove it to the whole world that my praise, I will not build an altar there. I will tell you, we have most powerful altar in the world. You will see me like I will go there, I will show you the ground. I will not dig anything, everything will be prayer. You will see miracle. Then later I can build something. I wanted to build it. I said, no, let me make something. Because I like to have evidence. I've showed you a video when a little girl died. If I am not spiritual, in 2020, COVID-19, as a brother girl died. They maybe said I may kill the girl. But today she's living. She died. She resurrected. And she'll be able to talk what happened to her. She'll be able to know that her father want to use her for sacrifice. I'll be able to become. The videos are there. Why father no come carry me? You know, father fight for Enugu. For Enugu. You know, so I don't know what to be deliverance. Physically, me and the little girl father fight for Enugu. For Trabuna. You have the video. So when we talk something, you don't know. I have go to detention because of unread deliverance. Family kill their mama, kill their people. They kill people. So when the girl was sick, it was in the hospital. No, this is what you're expecting me to say. No, how I can say it. No, ask which and Abia. This wisdom now is another level. You see, oh my God, you see, which and Abia. That's why it will not bring me if I'm cursing people. Because if that time I'm cursing people, I'm expecting you. But the Holy Spirit said me, say no. Many people don't know this you're talking about. Start from beginning. Okay, let us go to beginning now. They have lied to you that Roman Catholic is the mother of church. Is he mother of church? Is he the first church? Answer. No, it's not the first church. Which one is the first church? Sabbath. Now, how come now Roman Catholic intimidate Sabbath and claim to become number one? No, answer me. Ask your Reverend Father. Let me come and answer. God, your father go. Kezi you no Sabbath buzo. Kezi men and Roman Catholic and they claim no have the head of the church. Or why you come 419. Oh, we ain't have a problem because of Sabbath. You want to keep the word of God. That's why you know they see Sabbath people know they do promotion. No, they two come out. Why I be able to be this boldness? When we go Pentecost, I Sabbath, Mecca. So I come out. What I do, even Sabbath people does not do like that. They can't do it because they don't want to just let God judge. No, because I read Bible 7 times. I find out that Elijah fight for God. That's why when you say, "Well, I preach about salvation," I say, "What is salvation?" If you cannot tell a occultic man, a drug dealer, a homosexual, and a prostitute, and a adulterer, and a womanizer, and a drunkard, they are evil in their face. What salvation are you preaching? Say Jesus is coming. You see Jesus is coming that Elijah preached. You see Jesus is coming. John the Baptist did not preach Jesus is coming. He said, repent, the kingdom of God is at hand. The kingdom of Yahweh, not Jesus. They didn't pray. Go and read it. Say Jesus is coming. Jesus come now. As he comes that time, you will be preaching it. He's telling you prepare for the kingdom of God is at hand. What is kingdom? Kingdom of Yahweh. So, but the problem is this thing. If I pray now, if I know call name of Jesus Christ, it will not be. I'm fake, and you're real. Who make you believe that Jesus is the only name that answer prayer? Which name did Moses call? Answer me. Not be Jesus. Not be God answer them. Which name Elijah call? If I you know why I call Jesus on time because of people of low mentality. Some people have called me say, stop calling Jesus now. They call me Yahweh, Yeshua, Mamacha. Say no. I have to carry people wrong. But very after this month, I will need to teach Because in Igbo, many people have born, they have not heard about Yeshua. If you call it, they'll say, no, can do Ndamos. Before, if I answer David Yahweh, people see me, they would have run. Now, some will make me, people begin to like my name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Is that son that liberates me? Because people are seeing me as if when I'm answering David Yahweh, I say, what kind of name is this? Change the name now. Answer David Jesus. Answer this one. Answer. That's why if you go some prayer, even my wife confused me to answer David Jesus. I said, this is not the true name. I went to write David Jesus. Why, Mama? Let me show you the banner. I know share them because of what? David Jesus. Hello? Why, Mama? But that basket, that banner, that fryer, I can show them. That fryer, why I use almost 30,000 dollars before, why I do one no share. Why I like David Jesus. Bring up. I can show them. Just look for one or the basket they bought here. So I want to show you. You will see, if you're not very, very straightforward and focused, even people that is around you can confuse you. So that's it. So because you want to do like other people. No. I decided not to do like other people, but people never like it. You don't know why would this person want to become different? Matthias want to become different, but he's going it in a long way. But he's making points some places. But that is what he's doing is not Igbo tradition. No, that's not Igbo banana. You didn't say no one. Just give me. Let me show them. Let me show you the banner, the flyer that I print. I spent both banners. I spent like close to 100,000. I did not share it. That time, I don't have money not in my hand. But it's my former place. I told you that they have that place now, the land. They are fighting that place. It's government land. Government have taken the land. I paid money there. So that's why I'm telling you about land. All those kind of things. Give me. See where I have my prayer city before. You see the address that is different. You see it now. It's called City of Miracle. City of Miracle. See it. You see my dinner that is there. David Jesus. I say, sir. David Jesus. Not me do those one. You see David Jesus. Sir. David Jesus. See the address don't cut. If not, I will show you. These are my banner before. David Jesus. This place now. This banner now. No share. This banner. I spent like 100,000 with a sticker. It pass. I do big banana, about 200. So it's waste. Why? Because of I did it by carnality, by people advice. That's why I know they take anybody advice. This one now, my wife now, this thing came out from Roman Catholic. So, they don't know about Sabbath. So you always, and if you marry sometimes you have to allow your wife to contribute. So it won't look at you're not carrying her along. But sometimes you don't allow them because they will destroy the dream. But this one now, I allow her. After I allow her to do this one, I say, okay, let me even do what you. When I do them, I know if you share them because that's not my name. God bless you. So you have to carry people along. This is a movement like never before. This is not church, and they cannot be like any church. It's different. It's one of its kind, and it's the New Jerusalem, where God lives on earth. So, my name is Prophet David Yahweh. Yahweh is God give me. That is the name God showed me. When I was battling with the kingdom of darkness, God showed me the name. So, that's the name that overcome the powers. Most powerful and the holy name. That's why Israel bound Jesus. In Israel, once he mentioned of, God, stop this thing you're doing now. Femburu Church, stop this thing you're doing. Don't let me start with curse. If you don't like what I'm saying, please leave. I'm not talking about church now. If you don't like if you don't want problem in your life, don't try me. This period, I've not slept with a woman for a very long time. If I curse you, you go down. You will not pass that. You not go past 3 hours. I tell you, light nonsense here again. Also now you don't sleep, wake up. Very nice nonsense. If the one nonsense, yeah, I will close your destiny. Hello. Morning. Okay. How you there? Okay. I come out. Wait, if I come out for Kaja, I'll call you. Okay, now you come yesterday from where? Huh? Okay, I think one of my brother come yourself. From where? From Benin? Oh, okay, can you have your problem? Over there. You know what's serious attack? Wait. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Hello? Please, I'll just hold on. Please, I'll call you back. Okay, the talk. You say what happened? What is happening to you? Uh-huh. So who told you that it's attack? You say Matthias said nothing like a spiritual attack. Or who knows where a spiritual attack? So how come you're facing an attack? What kind of attack is that? Oh, you know, Maggie. Also, go to that again. Also, go to that. You know. Why just want to stay in you know why? Can you be Dibia before? Or Dibia? Huh? Chai. No court. Everyone has a solution. It's a boutique. Don't worry, don't come here. Okay, what about yesterday? I got a number yesterday. What you do, you got to be on the 6th. Come on 6th, I will deliver you. And that nonsense will stop. Okay? So, okay, for the again. Huh? Don't worry, he will come in our facility every day, Abi? Yes. Okay, he will come on Thursday. I will deliver you. He will stay till Friday, Saturday. You do your testimony. So, okay, confirm on them. No problem. No program. This one is 1 out of million. Because of you that are writing this thing. 1 out of millions. It's because they come online, they show you calls. See calls, they come. If I open my phone, calls up and down. I say nothing like spiritual attack, nothing like spiritual attack. Do you know how many people have died because of spiritual attack? Sometimes if you go to hospital, somebody spend 10 million, 12 million, 30, 20 million, 30 million, no solution. Now the baby need the nonsense in the case. Who have you helped? Dala, the mad. Here are them, okay. I know I can see no matter. Oh yeah, make I give you this boy number, make it solve a problem with your hospital. No, make I give you a number, make a caller. What's your name? Onyeka, make I give you a number, make a call, make it solve a problem. I don't know what to do the place. Baba's calling me this morning. On that enemy of problem. In a talk, you may get help. Oh, that's why sometimes I may make cost. Why you gotta ask somebody to do what you want to do? And if you're lighting this thing, if you don't caution him, another person will start. That's why I will start laying costs by causing 1 or 2 people. Those are also. And tomorrow, Megan. You know, child, nonsense. Will you like this in our smart walk? Now about the via was get them. Can you like this thing? It's not my game. You think money is my problem? If it's money is my problem, if I begin to call people, I make prayer for. I don't they call anybody. Where they do their thing now. I know they are. Nobody will say, I don't come and bring money, bring this one, come and buy this, and come and buy land. No. The only thing I do, if I pray for you, I know that I've made you rich. I know that I've blessed you. I'm expect you to. If you don't do that Thanksgiving, if you come in next time, I'll bullshit you. As one guy I pray for in America, solve a problem, finish. I start calling him. The fish to come, you know, if speak will come. Tomorrow, when you now have problem, start calling me. He expect me to pick because you're my father, you're feeding me. Now the grace. Thunder will father finish all of you, not the bad. So no way you have problem, you know that I'm prophet. When I will call you as a son, I saw you never go something to know how you're doing. Or if I see something, you will not pick, you will not start feeling I'm calling you. Because of you get how much you give me. You grace. Come and take money now, go and solve the problem. No, come, make this boy give you the money, make it come solve the problem. You think say to stay America, no, they're hungry me. It is said to stay London, they're hungry me. It is said to stay for Europe, no, they're hungry me. God had to go mega. I stayed in London before. I stayed in Dubai before. I stayed in Singapore before. I stayed in this thing, Malaysia before. So, but Chukwu to mega. It thinks that to travel abroad, no, they're hungry me. With all those nonsense, what I do for Nigeria. We don't live and pack things, travel, go one country. But onye jeji bo onye jeji. If I travel, go there, what's that means? I don't get choice that too. An Igbo can now. An Igbo. My investment in an Igbo already. Last year, I showed you I built a mountain, my village. Waiting the men and I don't look from. Nobody did there. Not my house, the house of God. I built that one like this to remember the covenant I'm going to have to build for God. So, all name that address, these two Jesus, people can never stop calling Jesus fake. All Judaism and Christianity, nothing like all this. This one they call Yahweh, this one they call Jesus, this one they call God, this one they call Mary, this one they call which kind? They call them Christianity. They don't be crazy, crazinity. Yes, and they're not supposed to call that Christianity. Crazinity because all Mdara. We are America. Do say that America. No so America. I'm not part of. I'm on my own with God. That's why people say, "Where are you?" I'm not anywhere. Anywhere. If you come in for the Catholic to come and preach about Jesus, not I will come. If you come in Sabbath, to come out, but make sure you don't put Jesus. Oh, put Jesus. If I come now, you did you go kill? I don't care. Tell me. Give me time. Give me 1 week, 1 month. I'll prepare myself. If it's why I will bring escort, I'll carry escort. I'll come and preach. No problem. Because I don't trust anybody again. Enemy everywhere. As I end the global agreement, so if I go to Rosario, I will carry escort, but I will go and preach. So what I need is Sebukobi to invite me. What I need is Akwaka to invite me. What I need is Matthias. I invited Matthias. Matthias is learning. So let him invite me. Let me come and hear people that are sick in that community and preach to them about Jesus in Dibia, Jesus in the because we need to be addressed this thing. This is what my preaching now. My preaching is to expose evil and to tell you about two Jesus, Jesus of Europe and Jesus of Israel, Jesus of Rome and Jesus of Nazareth. You must know. So if you don't know these two things, you will not know. You can never get it right. And many people are not be 99% people thinking that white Jesus is the real. That's the problem. So is it not fake? That white Jesus you are worshiping is homosexual. The boy that do that is a homosexual. Sleeping with women up and down. But he claims that Jesus does not have sin. So the person that had that video, is it not fake? So it's fake. People are right by burning the picture or burning the Bible because of that fake. But if you remove that New Testament, no Jesus, you find out that Old Testament was Torah. And Torah was truth. That's Igbo tradition. And that's what we're bringing to you. We're not saying Jesus is fake. Jesus is not fake. But the fake there is the two Jesus. White is Jesus or fake? Now the real Yeshua. Black Jesus. Because in the ancient time, the people of Israel, the people of Hebrew, which Igbos, do you know that in Rome before, they worship Chukwu? They worship Chukwu. Chukwu is the oldest Hebrews are not worship. The Romans came out, they want to conquer the world. They find out that the religions are the powerful thing. That's why they introduce you. Jesus, kill the real one. Kill all the apostles. Why did they think Romans killed many people? They killed them to just take over so they will not hear about God again. So they will be worshiping their idol like the time of Pharaoh. Until you begin to have sense. Okay, Jesus is now abandoned. Say, that Jesus. August not fake because it's about fair and don't keep the Sabbath. May keep the Sabbath. I'm not saying Sabbath is perfect, but Sabbath is not church. Sabbath is a synagogue. Sabbath is a commandment of God. So don't see that keeping Sabbath. No, don't use white garment to say we are Sabbath. No, this is not Sabbath church. This is the church of the Bible. We are following Bible. If we can't do the Sabbath. No, this is Igbo Jews movement. We are from Israel. I don't know. It can come from Egypt to see because no man scatter. That's why Baraga from the Bofunda also. Even an Igbo has one man and Yoruba. Now we book one about where they sell those native something. It's in our place selling above others. Yes. So you forget that there may not be much, but you cannot say if you go to your village, such where you will not see other tribe like Calabar, like although Hausa people are there. The same way Israel people, when they are killing them, when Roman kills 6 million Jews, many people run. Some go Asia, some go America, some go Britain, some Roman. That's why I see return of Jews. All again, return of Jews. They are coming back now. They became white. What made them to become white? They mix with other people. Do you know that if you find any people that begin to give Igbo, God forbid, and Igbo, the Fry does take you over. You know, now that's one and die. It's like I work on Igbo. Again, was in those kind of friend. In what I did? Yes. Again, when do the kind of friend? You know, I found Igbo kind of friend. I want to friend land there. And I buy half cast. And I was under the friend land there. Ogana, why have I the friend? I have him. Yeah, from the bar and down, and I wouldn't down, pregnant. But another has an Igbo. But if you go to their broad line, you will find out that they are not pure Igbo people, they mix. So now that's what happened to Israel. Israel now don't have black people again because they kill them all. Most of them ran, going to marry Oyibo, going to marry from Europe, going to marry from Asia, going to marry. So when they marry from different countries, from there, that one will born. No share now, before you know it, you don't see black legs again. God bless you. Onyekam, I was expecting you to contribute as a man that claim he have wisdom. Even if you say I'm taking him, that's to show your knowledge is small. So you're supposed to contribute and teach us the way not to write this in. That means you're a inferior. Inferior don't have anything to offer. So this ceremony now, so those church have fed us. We have two Jesus. We have this. We have this. So you don't have anything to contribute. As we Igbo, you want anything to contribute to this money. Before you never see me better than the mother. Oh, I'm going to be too much. I'm the main cause. You say I'm causing people. Yes. As in now what a career bank now the Dike bank it look at your name maybe and don't get about me like your mom. I walk about and pass power. Ya kuko I pay wires. Gas area. That's his kingdom or what. Put on them. Or by say charity. Lower him. What is it goes ego with now you know casting on them charity. Let the Jesus Christ no be the Lord. Jesus Christ is like a God. Saturdays will be food, free food, will be drink, will be water, there will be food, there will be drink. Come and eat, come and drink. Then we'll be going to prison like we were doing before. There's a lot of things if I tell you, you pity for me. Yes. You think to do humanity job is easy. Do you know what stops people coming close to me? There's a time I was in detention. I don't even go to trial. I was in detention for 14 days in Banti just to try to help people like this. About my education. So you don't know what we are facing as a remember humanity. You think it's easy to do humanity to help people that is dying. Only man on our family will run. What are you talking about? Do you know that somebody that are sick, their family don't want to, they run. They call them, they will run. But you will carry it. You want picture. Okay, all those you see in the hospital. You think I was one that take those people to the hospital, I paid the bill, some 400,000 with my own money. Some 50, some 30. You see everything, man, because I'm not coming to show you on social media. Is it because of the way I'm tired we do? You go and pay 30,000 inside hospital, you begin to shout. Then I go sit down. We will not know, say that they ask people to contribute money before I can help people. We will use our own money to do it. We don't believe in those things. Because he's a man. I believe that God is one providing for man to do. So we don't believe that if I don't believe in that, that's why I can't see me asking people. I don't see. When you're brave, baby, go to tomorrow. When you're brave, this place now is dedicated to God. This place was a hotel before. I give it to God. So when you're brave, baby, go leave those things. Go and buy a house and build now. And start again and let us. Even if you think it's one in that village that I'm in Lana, 500 and build it and let us start from there. So you think it's easy. So God took us on. So in the Okoko, He knows that to say. All the Christian leaders must have a meeting and let us do away with this white Jesus that's causing problem in Christianity. And let us do away with this white men that's causing problem in Christianity. If it's not so, people will keep on calling you fake eternity, and they have nothing you can do about it because you can't defend it. If you carry matters to court now, you can't jail him because number one, that Jesus is fake, true or false. He's fake. Fake is fake. He can't fake reality. I cannot come out and claim that I'm healing people. How many people? Don't worry, people will come that have real sickness. That's spiritual problem. Come and heal. That's why I say, Pastor, don't borrow leg. Pastor, don't borrow leg. If every God want to come and invite you, let me come and heal people. Come, I will give you security. That they will know the big altar. Open ground. Sick people are coming. It's refugee camp. That place is small. We're going to get to another place. Because if something begin to happen, that place not going to happen. Because hospital there, maternity. So that time they will start making noise. People that the hospital not like. So we still need to move. But just small. So we'll move in a place that we can have enough space. We'll have our own hospital far from where the noise. Because no one can know that some people don't like noise. So everything we're doing is just step by step. But thank God for what we're starting. We have hospital. We have achieved two things at the same time. People that want to give birth to babies. Nobody money dream. You join the this movement. Or you have a wife that you have joined this movement, this Gospel of Truth, Igbo Jews prophetic movement. Chukwu Dibia. We are going to give you free delivery. You are free. Without paying $1. I and my partners will pay for it. That's what we're doing. So we don't have other this thing. I said the one they're going to do outside. So it's small. They have not have labs. So they are working with the mother care. Mother care. So if you want to go and do scam, we'll have another bigger hospital, Lagos State this thing hospital that I can do. So all the same thing, we'll do it in a neighbor partner. So when somebody is having problem, you'll be easy. So we'll have a card. So once you mention the names, they will visit and they will attend to the person. So it's small. It takes money. So it's small. So that's why it's not about washing. I'm supposed to be in Anambra last month. But I could not because I will pay in Araba International. And that place have not used it. But we cannot ask them to refund. Because if they ask them to refund, tomorrow, if we go back and say we want to use them, we will not agree. So we leave the money with them, let him be with them. So when we are ready, we tell them, yes, we change the time. I change the time. It was supposed to be night. We can make it day. We look for one there's a space, we take it there. So that's it. So everything when they makes sense. So no, those small, all of them, which are all which make adres. On our that's why Oyama, I don't know Febe. Oyama no Febe, Oyama, Oyama Trega. Oyama not supposed to get church. Because all the people that is Amma and the king, and they're not one place. You see how David take fight war, conquer many cities before he came to Dibia city of David. You see how Elijah take fight, conquer. If he was one place, they may kill him. Sometimes he will run, go and hide under cave, and start from there. They will be looking for him. He will kill a lot of them. And so that's how prophet is. So prophet is not meant to even have a church. No. All those are TV shows. TV that started on TV shows. Everybody following that pattern. No. A real prophet is a solution. That they have a church don't guarantee you that you're a prophet. A real prophet, he can have a counseling place because he must solve people problems. That is not interested in church, in gathering crowd, no. Because if it's money you're looking for, you get it. Because if you solve people problem, you must in everything you do. I bought this phone now. It's solving my problem. If this phone is bad, I'll buy another one. So the team a prophet need is power and solution, not the church. That's why I can be on this phone now. If I say I want to join partner, I want to collect money, I'll be on this phone, I'll collect any money I want to collect. Then I'll stop. I use it to go and help people I want to help. Yes. Because what I want to do, all this I'm doing now, if I don't have money, I can't do it. And I don't like to come and beg people, please bring money. Well, no, I'll go for it. Food I'm going to cook. Some people, oh, thank you. There's some people that sent me Salaka money yesterday from London. Stephen, God bless you.
Then there was some other places, other people who have supported this thing. God bless you. God bless you. I will call you people. I will not be able to call you. I will call. I do that today. I'm going to the mountain. When I get to the mountain, if I do 1 or 2 things finish, then I will get back to you. My number is this +234 903 222 6076. Don't miss this opportunity on the 6th, 7th, and 8th. Come, and my God will take away your case, your problem. Thank you.